Hello and welcome to the news headlines of CLC International School for the first term.
CLC International School welcomes you to the world-class school in the region of Shekhawati, where the race for excellence has no finish line.
A sister concern of CLC Seeker, popularly known as JCLC.
A Decum residential school from Balvatika to senior secondary based on CBSE.
CIS inaugurated its first academic session on 6 April 2023.
CIS magnificent modern infrastructure that includes 3 big playgrounds.
Separate IT labs for juniors and seniors.
Challenge and inspire rooms. Well-equipped labs like language lab, maths lab, robotics lab, science lab and others.
Spacious and well-ventilated rooms.
Smart panel boards with Teach Next education.
It provides all essential amenities with affordable means.
CIS provides excellent academic learning, a disciplined environment, global exposure and heightened opportunities.
CIS boarding offers a crucial role in fostering a student's holistic development by embracing a comprehensive approach to their social, psychological, academic, emotional and physical well-being.
Let's move to the activity corner.
Students of grade 3 learned spatial relationship by 10 grams. It's a learning tool for building STEAM skills.
CIS organized a range of activities such as debates, street plays, poetry recitals and fashion show on Nagaland as a part of Art Integrated project.
CIS in its lush green campus organized a summer camp in collaboration with PIE, Rajasthan Patrika, facilitating more than 10 sports. Closing ceremony of the summer camp was witnessed by CIS patron engineer Sarwan Chaudhary, CIS director Mr. Samar Chaudhary and parents of all participating children.
Children were walking on air, showing their performances.
A poster making and drawing competition were organized on World's Earth Day.
Paper Bag Day activity was conducted, said to No Plastic, an initiative and support to the Indian Swasthya League.
On National Technology Day, an interactive session on artificial intelligence was conducted for grade 9th to 11th by Mrs. Polly Sinha.
CIS organized a 2-day tree plantation drive led by Prakriti Mandal. It aimed to restore and promote sustainable managed forests, combat desertification and halt and reverse land degradation and halt biodiversity.
Students' Council election began for the session 2023-24.
The election committee systematically made the arrangements for voting and discipline and proactive environment.
The Student Council was elected on July 25, 2023 by the faculty member and students through democratic voting.
CIS organized its first investiture ceremony of Students' Council 2023-2024 on July 31, 2023.
The school community gathered to witness the formal investiture process and oath-taking ceremony of the Student Council members.
The solemn occasion was graced by the presence of Director Mr. Samar Chaudhary, Principal, Housemasters and students who were keen together to honor newly elected council.
This event symbolized taking up responsibility, leadership and commitment to drive the school to excellences.
The members of First Student Council are:
it is headed by Vedai Shekhawat as the head girl, Manish Kadwasra as the head boy,
Neetu Bhavaria as Deputy Head Girl, Anshul Yadav as the Cultural Minister, Rasil as Deputy Cultural Minister,
Dhruvraj Singh as Sports Minister, Pankaj Kumar as Deputy Sports Minister,
Tanisha as Deputy Sports Minister Girl.
The 4 houses with their in charges:
the Athar Veda House, the Rig Veda House, the Sam Veda House, the Yajur Veda House.
At the closing of investiture ceremony, vote of thanks was proposed by school head girl Vedai Shekhawat and head boy Manish Kadwasra.
Parent-teacher meet at CIS.
Parent-teacher meeting is to monitor and enhance the child's overall progress. It is a great opportunity for both the teachers and parents to work for the betterment of the child.
CIS conducted its first PTM for the academic session 2023-2024 on 13 May 2023. It aimed at constructive feedback of the students' progress in the PT First.
CIS conducted its second PTM on August 19, 2023 to take a step forward to know and discuss each child's in and outs in detail.
Let's have a look at the events organized at CIS. CIS in its lush green campus conducted CLC Technofest 23.
CIS patron engineer Sarwan Chaudhary along with director Mr. Samar Chaudhary, Team CLC and Team CIS and all children on the ceremony of Technofest 23 raised the tricolor up in the sky. Top 5,000 students were awarded with certificates, mementos, student kit and cash prizes.
In addition to it, 5 students won a foreign trip to Singapore.
The name of 5 students are: first, Pankaj Jangid from Jhunjhunu; second, Devraj Yadav from Jaipur; third, Deepika from Isar; fourth, Vivian from Jaipur; fifth, Lakshay from Sikar.
CIS in collaboration with Dainik Bhaskar organized Healthcare Awards to remarkable contribution of Shekhawati doctors.
CIS organized Guru Utsav 23 for Team CLC and Team CIS including all members with their families.
An internal program for teachers was also organized at CIS. Students welcomed and expressed their gratitude.
Director Mr. Samar Chaudhary awarded teachers with titled mementos for their dedication and honesty.
Celebrations and significant days at CIS.
CIS enthusiastically celebrated World Skills Day. Children took part in panel discussion and shared their mind and willingness to be a budding scientist.
Students of grade 4 to 9th presented Nukkad Natak to mark the importance of the day.
CIS celebrated 9th International Yoga Day with great enthusiasm. Warm-up exercises and different asanas were performed.
CIS had a jubilant celebration on the occasion of Mother's Day. Nukkad Natak, dance performances and poems were presented by the students to showcase mothers' unconditional love and care.
August 15 marked a day of fervor and patriotic pride at CIS, celebrated India's 77th Independence Day with remarkable display of unity and diversity.
The students showcased their talents and performances that echoed the feel of national pride and harmony.
CIS celebrated Janmashtami in purely devotional way. Little Radhas and Krishnas stole every heart, and their mesmerizing performances left everyone amazed.
Children of grade 4th, 5th and 6th presented a drama showcasing Lord Krishna's birth journey.
Being Indians, CIS takes its liability to render Shiksha with Sanskar, as our motto is Shilam Param Bhushnam.
CIS celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi as our Indian heritage, culture and values highly speak of our rituals and traditions.
Let's have a look at PDP, Professional Development Program.
CIS time to time organizes Professional Development Program for its teachers to upgrade their knowledge and skills according to the fast-tech growing world.
Maths Lab conceptual training for Maths department has been organized to acquire knowledge about mathematical facts and principles to use in real-world situations.
A training by outsourced person was organized to enable digital learning and teaching and using TeachNext.
A training was organized to enhance IT skills of the teachers which aimed at the development of multiple skills.
A teacher's training on parachute play provided valuable insights and practical tools for educators to enhance critical thinking, problem-solving skills and teamwork.
A training for the teachers up to 5 was organized on unleashing the potential of flashcard in learning.
CIS Patreon engineer Sarvan Chaudhary, who is sharp as a tack and smart as a wife, conducted 3 days professional development program for teaching staff, admin staff and students. He motivated all by singing "We Shall Overcome Someday."
Let's move to the sports corner.
Sports activities are integral part of the school.
Students of grade 3 played board games to increase attention, focus, foresight, strategy and precision.
CIS celebrated National Sports Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand.
Different sports activity and competition were conducted to mark the day remarkable. For little ones, fun and coloring competition and dodgeball, tug of war, basketball and volleyball competition were held.
The 67th district level basketball tournament 2023-2024 under 17 and under 19 boys held in the vast premises of CIS.
Many dignitaries connected to the world of sports witnessed the tournament. Total 52 teams took part, category under 17 52 teams and under 19 22 teams.
Winning team was awarded with the trophy and all the players got participation certificates.
Overview of Bal Vatika from Babyland to grade 2.
CIS organized a splash pool party for the students of Bal Vatika to beat the heat.
CIS organized an intense sports activity on hula hooping for class 1st and 2nd.
Tiny toddlers of Bal Vatika participated in the competition. Collect the Things. It aimed to improve their coordination, concentration, motor skill and speed.
CIS always takes an initiative to groom child's personality and to improve their ability of color recognition.
Purple Day is observed as a symbol of wisdom, creativity and royalty.
Yellow Day is observed as a celebration of good feast of delicious mangoes.
Celebration of White Day is observed as a symbol of purity and serenity.
Pink and Blue Day is observed to embrace the beauty of colors. Pink symbolizes love, color and warmth, whereas blue symbolizes knowledge and stability.
CIS organized a competition aimed the target for tiny toddlers to sharpen their skills.
Tiny toddlers celebrated Raksha Bandhan not only to cherish bond between siblings but also to acknowledge the symbiotic connection we share with environment.
Animals Club activity is held to create an understanding of various animals, their sounds and appearance.
CIS celebrated Grandparents' Day, buzzing with excitement. The campus brimmed over with laughter.
Children expressed their unconditional love by presenting dance performances, skits showcasing Dadi's and Nani's love.
It has been reported by grandparents. They felt special and had a wonderful time.
A proud moment for CIS in the 67 district level roller skating competition 2023. Students bagged gold and silver medals.
Pankaj of class 9th under 19 boys bagged 2 gold medals in 1000 and 3000 meter quads.
Nishta of class 6th under 17 girls bagged hat-trick of silver medal in 500, 1000 and 3000 meter rink respectively.
Priyanshu Budak of class 7th under 17 boys bagged bronze in 3000 meter.
The CIS team in under 19 scored overall 3rd position in the tournament.
CIS celebrated Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti on the great occasion. Director Mr. Samar Chaudhary emphasized on the 3 of Gandhi in his speech. Cleanliness is next to godliness. A Swachh Abhiyan was initiated for instilling the values of patriotism and self-discipline.
Friendly matches were organized to honor supporting staff as a token of appreciation for their epic service.
On the occasion of Navratri, CIS organized Garba celebration on traditional theme.
CIS celebrated Dussehra. Juniors showcased and a drama on the life of Ravan and his killing.
On the other hand, senior students presented a drama highlighting Ravan's strength and positive aspects.
CIS celebrated the Festival of Lights Diwali by organizing different house competitions.
Students of Balvatika enjoyed activity of making Bengal Diya stands.
A card making competition for class 3rd to 5 and Rangoli competition class 6 to 8.
CLC Techno
2024
is conducted on 5th November 2023 in 7 states and total lakhs of students appeared in the examination.
With this, we end the news for the first term.